Are you in the market for brand new construction out here in Ormond Beach, Florida? Here in Archer's Mill, I've got the perfect home for you. This is gonna be our 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage Robinson model. I know you're gonna love this. Follow me this way. I can't wait to show it to you. Welcome inside the Robinson. This is our 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage home out here in Archer's Mill. To the right, you've got 2 guest bedrooms, full bathroom. To the left down that first hall, you've got another guest bedroom, another full bathroom. Laundry room here to my left, and then check this space out here. This kitchen I absolutely love. Quartz counters, 42-inch cabinetry, nice big corner pantry. All of the appliances do come with the home. You would have a refrigerator, stove, microwave does fully vent out also, and then of course a dishwasher here in the island. Check out this living room. Look at all the windows, all of the natural light this lets in. And then of course, if you like to entertain or you have a big family, which you probably do with a house like this, you've even got a kitchen nook over here, leading off to your lanai. Come on this way, let me take you into your master bedroom. One of the nice things about this home, again, plenty of space, tray ceilings, beautiful windows letting in again that natural light for you. And then as you come with me into your master bathroom, you're gonna have a garden tub, a walk-in shower, double vanity, and then of course a nice walk-in closet. This home is fantastic. You're gonna love it. Guest bedroom number 1 here. Check out the double doors on the closet. Follow me through this hallway. To my right, you've got your guest bathroom, double vanity with a tub for the kids. Behind me, you've got another guest bedroom. Over here through this hallway, we've got your 3-car garage to my left, another full bedroom, another bathroom, walk-in shower. This home has it all. Thank you for touring with us today. My name's Chris with D.R.Horton. I can't wait to get you in the community. Archer's Mill has it all. Clubhouse, pool, gated, lawn maintenance is included. Come out and see me. I can't wait to tour you. Have a great day.